What's up, everybody? Jeff with Banger Collectibles. Today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to send out those sports trading cards or Pokemon cards when you actually have them graded from SJC, Beckett, PSA. That card sold, and how do you send them off to your customers? How do you ship them off? Exactly the process. I'm going to go ahead and show you that. First and foremost, you're going to go ahead and grab that sale. I sold this Mike Trout PSA 10, beautiful 5 of 5. Big Halo fan, but I actually sold this one. I'm going to show you exactly how I send it out to the customer from my house to their house. Let's get it. All right, first and foremost, we need the supplies. What are we going to use? We're going to use exactly these things. Graded card sleeves, right, to protect your cards. Put them inside there. Hobby armor to put the cardboard around your graded cards. How about bubble mailers, painter's tape, and label printer to print off your sale? That's right. Those are the basic items you'll need to get this baby done. I already got it in these graded card holders right here, the little plastic ones. I'll drop you a link in the description on the ones exactly that I use, but I put the actual graded card inside there with my business card, and you simply fold it over. Very, very easy. If you're really lazy like I am, I actually use hobby armor. This is a plastic variation. We actually have a cardboard version as well. They come in graded card sizes along with raw card sizes as well. But let me show you exactly what I do. I actually buy these, and then when the card sells, I actually put my graded card inside. 2 pieces of cardboard around it with my painter's tape. I have a link and a discount code. Just use code BANGER to purchase these. If you're lazy like me, you're gonna go ahead and do that. But let me go ahead and show you real quick what I do. If you don't have the hobby armor stuff, all you need is cardboard. I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly what to do. So you're gonna make exactly the same size as the hobby armor, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right down here, right through, and then we're gonna have exactly the size that we need for the grading cards there. So we'll just go ahead and duplicate that on both sides as well. So 1 and 2. And you're gonna need cardboard, like I said. This is the long way, but there's a faster way. Just order hobby armor and use code BANGER. Go ahead and grab the cardboard if you didn't already, and then make sure you have painter's tape right here. It's a very necessary supply that I use every day. 4 little pieces. You go ahead and just put 4 pieces of tape right on each side to make sure that that card stays right inside of and protected when you send it out to your customer. We're going to go ahead and need bubble mailer as well. Make sure that you get bubble mailer send out. Make sure you have the right supplies. Let me just actually make sure these are all in there. All right, perfect. Boom, boom. All right, perfect. So you got the 4 pieces around. It's not sliding. The card's in there. We're going to go ahead and grab the actual bubble mailer, and we're going to put it inside here. All the things that I use are in my description. So if you guys are figuring it out or trying to figure out what to use when you're selling, I have literally everything, including my label printer, which is very useful. But now that the card's in there, it's protected in the bubble mailer. Let's go right into eBay, and let's go ahead and take a look how to do the process from start to finish. Just go into ebay.com, assuming you already have an account and you're selling there. This is an easy little trick. Notifications right up there. Click the paid now option. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna go ahead and figure out exactly how much this thing weighs. I actually have a scale right here in front of me that I use every single day. Very useful, very handy. I have that exact one that I could put there in the description as well. But now that we have the weight, you're gonna go ahead and put the package right on top. Boom, 3 ounces is 2.6. We'll round up to 3. Boom, boom. Now we got to go ahead and measure it. Beautiful measuring tape, easy peasy. All right, go ahead, boom. This one's actually a little over 6. We'll call it 7 by, and then the length and width is, all right, a little over 7. So we have 8 as well. So we'll call it 8 by 8 on this particular one, 8 by 8 on this one, and then there's only 1 inch as well. So 8 by 8 by 1, and then go ahead and click the blank space right there, and you'll be able to see that's a pre-populated from USPS Ground Advantage. If you guys want to use a different service, you have all your providers right here, FedEx, UPS, USPS. I actually use USPS because that's what I use every day. Buyer selected, boom, it has up to $100 in insurance that you can pay a little extra. This was a $300 card, so if I want to insure for a little more, I can pay a little extra. I'm not going to do so. I'm going to just roll the dice because that's what I do. I'm a gambler. Confirm the purchase price, $4.51. Let's go. Boom, boom, $4.51. Go ahead and purchase it now. And now we're going to go ahead and print the label. Assuming you have, I have it set up that way. Print, and here it comes. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And there it comes right out. I have the customer shipping label. That's going to go right onto the package that we just created. And now all I have to do, guys, is just take this bad boy and send it to the customer. We got to actually drive to USPS and drop it off. But there it is. Label onto the actual package. I actually like to put it on the other side that's sealed, just so it's an extra little layer of protection there. And then it goes right down. And then make sure you just send it down. You can actually scan the barcode, get a receipt, and then have that sent out to your email, however you want to do it. But just like that, guys, easy peasy lemon squeezy. In a nutshell, I use Hobby Armor. Make sure you use code BANGER if you want to get some of that. If you don't want to, but you can go ahead and cut the cardboard for free as well. But my name is Jeff with Banger Collectibles. Make sure you shoot me a subscription, a follow. If you guys want more sports trading cards and Pokemon tricks, however you guys want to do it, come and see me at the Ultimate Banger Card Show. That's right, February 1st and 2nd. It's going to be at 311 Dane Lane, Longwood, Florida, 32750. February 1st and 2nd. Bring the family, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. We'll see you soon. Have a great day, everybody. Hope you guys learned something today.